Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about how to highlight row when click on it. We simply click on the cell and it will highlight entire row. We have used very simple technique and formulas to create it. We have also two functions only: first one conditional formatting and cconf one simple code in VBA. We will also learn how to change existing row color as well. But before that, you are requested to watch the full video and subscribe to our channel. Let's start our example. First, we select the range for conditional formatting. Now click on conditional formatting icon where we need to click on New Rule option. In the New Rule option, we need to insert formula. Select the option given in the last use of formula to determine which cells to format. In the bar, we use our desired formula. Now write formula equals row equals cell row. After closing bracket, again use equals cell. After cell, again use row. In this way, we have completed our formula in conditional formatting. Now click on Forma option for formatting. There are different options. We select Fill tab. We select our desired color. Now we click on OK option. Now we move to last function. Right-click on sheet name and select View Code option. View Code function will allow more options. First, we select sheet name from above. Now we need to type code to trigger. We write here target, calculate. We write both without gap. Now we click on calculate. Now we close the window. Now test our conditional formatting function by clicking on any random cell. This conditional formatting will highlight a sieve cell row. This is how conditional formatting can create attractive, appealing option. If you face any confusion, please write in our comment section.